Hello everyone, this is Teacher J. Excel in PSLE Math. Question 1. The figure below is not drawn to scale. AB equals BC equals CD. The question is, what fraction of the figure is shaded? We can easily notice that not only are the lengths of the base sides of these triangles equal, but so are their heights. This big triangle can be divided into 3 equal portions, just like this. So the shaded portion takes up 1/3 of the entire graph. The answer is 1/3. Quite easy. Okay? So you remember that for the area of a triangle equals half times base times height. This one x maybe x, same height h. So each of these triangles, the area is half times x times h. Okay? Thanks for watching.